What's up everybody, it's me again. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're about to jet set to a place I've always wanted to visit, Thailand. I'm talking white sand beaches, crystal clear water, the most insane food you've ever seen. It's gonna be epic. We're diving deep into the heart of Thailand to explore the top 5 islands this country has to offer. Get ready for some serious wanderlust because after this video, you'll be booking your tickets, no doubt. Alright, first up, we're hitting up Phuket. This place is huge. Nestled in the Andaman Sea, Phuket is a tropical paradise that offers a little bit of everything for everyone. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a beach bum, or a culture enthusiast, Phuket has got you covered. It's Thailand's largest island, and let me tell you, it's basically a giant playground for anyone who loves beaches. The island boasts some of the most beautiful beaches in the world, with soft white sand and crystal clear waters. You can spend your days lounging under the sun, swimming in the warm sea, or trying out various water sports like jet skiing, parasailing, and snorkeling. Imagine this. You wake up, throw open your windows, and bam! Turquoise water as far as the eye can see. The mornings in Phuket are something out of a dream, with the sun rising over the horizon, casting a golden glow over the water. It's the perfect way to start your day, feeling refreshed and ready for whatever adventure awaits. We're talking picture-perfect beaches like Patong, Karan, Kamala. The list goes on and on. Each beach has its own unique charm and vibe. Patong is known for its vibrant nightlife and bustling atmosphere, while Karan offers a more laid-back and family-friendly environment. Kamala, on the other hand, is a quieter spot, perfect for those looking to escape the crowds and enjoy some peace and tranquility. But hold up, Phuket isn't just about soaking up the sun. There's so much more to do here. You can explore the island's lush jungles, go on a thrilling zip-lining adventure, or take a boat tour to the nearby Phi Phi Islands. For those who love shopping, Phuket has plenty of markets and malls where you can find everything from local handicrafts to designer brands. Once the sun sets, this place turns into a giant party. The nightlife in Phuket is legendary, with countless bars, clubs and beach parties to choose from. Whether you want to dance the night away at a trendy nightclub or enjoy a quiet drink at a beachside bar, there's something for everyone. Bangla Road is insane. Lights, music, energy, it's like nothing you've ever seen. This famous street in Patong is the heart of Phuket's nightlife, with neon lights, loud music, and a lively crowd. It's a sensory overload in the best possible way, and you can't help but get caught up in the excitement. But Phuket's got a secret weapon culture. The island is rich in history and tradition, with stunning temples and cultural landmarks that are a must-visit. The Big Buddha, a massive statue that sits atop Naked Hill, offers breathtaking views of the island and is a symbol of peace and serenity. We're talking stunning temples, giant Buddha statues, local markets bursting with colors and smells that will blow your mind. The local markets are a feast for the senses, with vibrant colors, exotic scents, and a wide variety of goods to choose from. You can find everything from fresh produce and spices to handmade crafts and souvenirs. You gotta try the street food, guys, seriously. Phuket's street food scene is incredible, with a wide variety of delicious and affordable dishes to try. From spicy curries and savory noodles to sweet desserts and refreshing drinks, there's something to satisfy every craving. Phuket is the ultimate combo of chill vibes and wild nights, and I am so down for it. Whether you're looking to relax and unwind or party until the sun comes up, Phuket has it all. It's a destination that truly offers the best of both worlds, and it's no wonder that it's a favorite among travelers from all over the globe. Next stop, Koh Samui. This island is like stepping into a postcard. Seriously, picture this. Palm trees swaying in the breeze, white sand beaches that go on forever, and these crystal clear waters that are basically begging you to swim in them. Koh Samui is all about that laid-back tropical paradise vibe. You can spend your days chilling on Chaweng Beach, soaking up the sun, sipping on a fresh coconut. It's the life, you know? But don't let the chill vibes fool you. Koh Samui has an adventurous side too. We're talking about exploring hidden waterfalls in the jungle, hiking up to epic viewpoints, and even getting your adrenaline pumping with some water sports. And the best part? After a long day of exploring, you can treat yourself to an amazing Thai massage right on the beach. Koh Samui is the perfect blend of relaxation and adventure, and I am here for it. Alright guys, buckle up because we're heading to Koh Samui. Did I pronounce that right? Please let me know in the comments. This place is straight out of a movie. Seriously, it's that beautiful. I'm talking towering limestone cliffs that rise straight out of the ocean, water so clear you can see straight to the bottom, and beaches that are basically calling your name. You've probably seen pictures of Maya Bay, you know, the one from the beach with Leo DiCaprio. Yeah, that's Koh Samui, and it's even more stunning in person. But Koh Samui isn't just about looks, it's a paradise for anyone who loves to be in the water. Snorkeling, diving, kayaking, you name it, they've got it. Imagine swimming through schools of colourful fish, exploring hidden coves, and maybe even spotting a shark or two. Don't worry, they're friendly. Koh Samui is the ultimate escape, and I'm already planning my next trip back. Calling all my underwater explorers. If you've ever dreamed of diving into a world of vibrant colours and fascinating marine life, then Koh Tao is the place for you. This tiny island in Thailand is a paradise for anyone who loves the ocean and wants to experience its wonders up close. Koh Tao is calling your name. Nestled in the Gulf of Thailand, this island is renowned for its crystal-clear waters and stunning beaches. It's a destination that promises adventure and relaxation in equal measure. This little island is a haven for divers and anyone who wants to experience the magic of the underwater world. Whether you're a seasoned diver or a first-timer, Koh Tao offers something for everyone. The waters here are teeming with life, and the visibility is often so good that you can see for tens of meters. Seriously, the diving here is legendary. The island boasts numerous dive sites, each with its own unique charm. From shallow coral gardens to deep underwater pinnacles, there's always something new to discover. And the best part, the water temperature is perfect year-round, making it an ideal spot for diving no matter when you visit. We're talking colourful coral reefs that look like they've been plucked straight out of a dream. These reefs are home to a dazzling array of marine life, from tiny brightly coloured fish to larger, more elusive creatures. Schools of fish swimming all around you, creating a mesmerising dance of colours and shapes. It's like being in the middle of a living, breathing aquarium. And if you're lucky, you might even encounter some of the ocean's gentle giants. Whale sharks and manta rays are known to frequent these waters, offering a once-in-a-lifetime experience for those fortunate enough to see them. But don't worry, even if you're not a certified diver, you can still experience the beauty of Koh Tao's underwater world. Snorkeling is a fantastic way to explore the shallow reefs and see a variety of marine life without the need for any special training. Snorkeling is just as amazing, with many of the best spots located just a short swim from the shore. The clear, warm waters make it easy to see everything from colourful corals to playful fish. And there are tons of dive schools where you can get certified if you want to take it to the next level. These schools offer courses for all skill levels, from beginner to advanced, so you can learn at your own pace and comfort. And when you're not exploring the underwater world, Koh Tao has plenty to offer on land too. Think chill beach bars where you can sip on a refreshing drink while watching the sunset, delicious Thai food that will tantalize your taste buds, and a laid-back vibe that will make you want to stay forever. The island's relaxed atmosphere is perfect for unwinding after a day of adventure, and the friendly locals will make you feel right at home. Koh Tao is a must-visit for anyone who loves adventure in the ocean. Whether you're diving into the depths or simply soaking up the sun on the beach, this island offers an unforgettable experience that will leave you longing for more. So pack your bags, grab your gear, and get ready to dive into adventure. We're continuing our island-hopping adventure in Koh Lanta. This island, located in the Andaman Sea, is a hidden gem that offers a perfect blend of relaxation and adventure. It's a place where time seems to slow down, and the worries of the world just melt away. Now, if you're looking for a place to truly unwind and escape the hustle and bustle, this is it. Koh Lanta's serene beaches and peaceful coastline provide the ideal setting for a tranquil getaway. The sound of the waves gently lapping against the shore is like nature's lullaby, inviting you to relax and let go. Koh Lanta is all about that slow pace of life, those long stretches of pristine beaches, and those charming little villages that make you feel like you've stepped back in time. The island's traditional village houses and local culture offer a glimpse into a simpler way of life, where community and nature are at the heart of everything. Imagine this: you wake up, grab a coffee at a local cafe, and then spend your day lounging on the beach, reading a book, and swimming in the crystal clear water. The local cafes are cozy and welcoming, often run by families who have lived on the island for generations. They serve up delicious coffee and traditional Thai snacks that are perfect for a light breakfast. Sounds pretty perfect, right? The beaches here are idyllic, with soft white sand and clear blue waters that are perfect for sunbathing, swimming, or just taking a leisurely stroll. Whether you're looking to soak up the sun or find a quiet spot to meditate, Koh Lanta's beaches have something for everyone. But Koh Lanta isn't just about relaxing on the beach, although that's definitely a highlight. The island offers a variety of activities that cater to different interests and adventure levels. From water sports to cultural experiences, there's always something to do. You can also rent a scooter and explore the island, discover hidden waterfalls, visit a national park, and immerse yourself in the natural beauty of Koh Lanta. The island's national parks are home to diverse wildlife and lush greenery, making them perfect for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Or even take a cooking class and learn how to make delicious Thai food. These classes are a fantastic way to connect with the local culture and bring a piece of Koh Lanta back home with you. You'll learn to prepare traditional dishes using fresh local ingredients and gain a deeper appreciation for Thai cuisine. Koh Lanta is the perfect place to disconnect from the world and reconnect with yourself. Whether you're meditating on the beach, taking a break from technology, or simply enjoying the peaceful surroundings, this island offers a sanctuary for the soul. It's a place where you can truly find balance and harmony away from the stresses of everyday life. Hey everyone! I recommend that you check out the great travel deals in the description below. I hope you find them useful and make some savings on your next trip. And that's a wrap on our epic Thailand island adventure. Can you believe how incredible those islands are? I'm already planning my next trip back. If you enjoyed this video and all the epic adventures we got up to, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more travel vlogs. Now, tell me in the comments below, which island are you adding to your travel list? I want to know. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!